Well, hello there, chat. Hello, world. Hello, everybody out there on the internet who's watching today, and welcome to DevCycle HQ, our home here on the internet, here on X or LinkedIn or YouTube or Twitch or wherever you're watching us. My name's Andrew. I am your host with the most here on the DevCycle HQ channels, and I'm excited that you are here with me today for another episode of Does It Toggle, where we explore the question that everybody has: can you add feature flags to a specific technology? And my goal is to always answer that question with a solid yes wherever possible. Now, today we're going to be exploring a really fun programming language called a program web framework called Mojolicious, which is a Perl framework. But I had some bad timing today, and I have a coffee that's just about to perk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disappear for like 2 seconds. It's literally just about to perk, and then I'm going to come back, and we're going to get started with some Mojolicious. So hang tight, everybody. We'll be back in just 1 second and continue our stream here on DevCycle HQ. All right, we are already back. I told you it was going to take long. It was just starting to perk. I'm really excited because in addition to all of you who are out there, I'm also joined by someone who sometimes makes an appearance on our streams here, my awesome cat, Tibby, who's sleeping on the desk beside me, may decide to join us a little bit later on. So if you'd like Tibby to make an appearance, let me know. Everybody always likes it when the cat shows up. But I think we're going to get started. Now, if you're watching and you're in chat and you could give me a thumbs up somehow that the audio sounds good. Otherwise, I'm going to have to head over to another window and log in and see what's going on. All right. And while we're doing that, welcome, everybody. Welcome to the stream. I think it's going to be a good one. Let's head over to X and see how our stream is going on over there. All right, how's the audio sound? I think I need to turn down my music. 25. There we go. All right, so I think we're good. Where do we have people joining us from today? Oh, we got some folks over on Twitch. Hello, Twitch friends. If you're watching us on Twitch, make sure to say hey in chat. I would love to be able to say hey back. So yeah, all right. Now let me close. Actually, I'm going to keep this open. I am, as you may know, this is our sort of backup studio for streaming. This is home. And so we're actually streaming from home today. So chaos may happen, but it also means that I've got one less screen to deal with, which is both good and bad for these live streams. So let's jump into things with our double screen. It sounds like our audio is working. We've got our background music going. I'm going to turn off this starting soon banner because that's not true anymore. Yeah, let's jump into the different technologies that we're going to look at today. So that play. Oh, Tibby has decided that she does not want to listen to this silliness, which is okay. I feel like that's okay. She's probably going to cause some shenanigans, which happens. It happens in these situations. All right, let me get my screen share up. Present, share screen, entire screen, screen 2. Also, I'm going to make sure that I have set focus mode on until the end of this, until this evening, just so I don't get any disturbances. And here we go. So let's jump over first and look at, so there's 3 technologies that we're basically going to be looking at today that you may not have heard of. You may have just ended up here. Maybe you saw that it was sort of a light stream and you wanted to drop in and say, hey, or maybe this is sort of your place you like to be. you hear all the time. So some of this you'll know already, some of it you won't. And Mojolicious. There we go. Perfect. So first things first, the channel that you're on is DevCycle. What's DevCycle? It is a feature flag management platform. What does that mean? It means it's a way for you to target who sees features in your platform, app, whatever. We provide the platform that controls who sees what and sort of gives you easy visibility into how many of those flags you have inside the application that you're running, or multiple applications, or all the different environments that you're running them on. Then we have OpenFeature. OpenFeature is a new standard in feature flagging. Let me zoom in here. Let me bump this up a little bit. New standard in feature flagging. Ton of feature flag management platforms are in here. So we have folks like DevCycle right here, and here are all of the different providers that we have. And these are things that vendors like DevCycle provide to allow for you to use the OpenFeature standard without sort of having to change your code. And we'll talk about that in a little bit. And then we've got lots of other folks in here too. So we have, let me bump this up. Let's see if I can bump up on the side. Do I get this? Does my filter show up at the bottom? Oh, do I lose my filter? I lose my filter if I go into that mode. Anyways, so if you look over here, we have folks like ConfigCat, Featbit, Flagsmith, Flipped, Growthbook, Harness. A lot of these launch darkly. You may have heard of some of these, maybe not. But this sort of represents the feature flag ecosystem around the world. Yeah, so that's sort of the OpenFeature stuff. So DevCycle, feature flag management platform, OpenFeature, open standard in feature flagging, sort of the standard in feature flagging. And then the technology that we're going to look at flagging today is going to be Mojolicious. Now, if you have not heard of Mojolicious, I am not surprised, because Mojolicious is actually something that I hadn't heard of until I was preparing for this stream. And you may be asking yourself, Andrew, why this really obscure framework in a language that people don't even think about anymore? Well, because I like to play around with fun things, and I like to explore new technology. I think it's interesting to kind of see somebody struggle through learning real on stream. I've never touched this before. I've never touched Perl or Mojolicious, so this is going to be an adventure. But when I was looking for programming languages, this one, Perl, popped out to me because like it feels like PHP, which is kind of my safe space for programming. And so I also really loved this like web development can be fun again stuff. So I definitely found most modern web development is less enjoyable than I think it should be. And so I am excited to see if this lives up to the hype, if it lives up to this saying of it can be fun again. So we're gonna have to go through all the install steps. I've never touched this before. I'm not sure where to start, but I feel like the best place to start is W3 Schools for Perl, because I'm interested in just some simple W3 School stuff on Perl. It's actually W3 Schools? No, this is w3schools.io. Do they have Perl in here? I wonder. Perl compiler? Is it? This might be it. Geeks for Geeks always causes problems for me. W3 Schools, I really don't want to go on there. W3 Schools, maybe I'll just look up Perl tutorial. Oh, there we go. Nice. Perl tutorial. Did you do programming from scratch, practical examples, getting into Perl, introduction to Perl programming, introduction to Perl programming. Close. All right, what do we got? High quality, extensible, open source. Yes, great. Setting up Perl development environment. Strawberry, Perl on Windows. I don't care about Windows right now. I'm going to care about Mac, which I'm assuming I can. We'll find out. I might not actually be able to do this. I might need to use like a VM. Some famous Perl program, Hello World, Hello World, Hello World PL, Perl paths profile. They're showing this on Windows. First line, so that tells where Perl is installed. Use warnings. This is a pragma in Perl. Pragma instructs Perl to turn on additional warning reporting. Hello World. Okay, that seems easy enough. Syntax. Okay, this is what we really care about. All right, so Yes. So here's honestly one of the reasons why I like this. I am a big fan of the $ as like an indicator of a variable. I just feel like it's so clean. I don't know. It just makes sense in my brain. I also love semicolons. I love curly braces or curly boys. I love comments being in what are they called? They're called hashtags, but there's another something bang. Anyways, I just like this. I like that it feels, and I've heard that this is like what C is like. If anybody's out there in chat, like let me know. Is this what C is like? Keywords, modules, print, Perl variables. Yeah, variables, email address. Yeah, so this makes sense. So that's value. That's fair. Yeah, so no space, no symbol like that, no letter or underscore found after the $. That makes sense. No letter or underscore after the $. That's not true. Declaring variables. Okay, this reads very much PHP to me. Print. Print is actually easier in here. Strict. Declare the variable. That makes sense. This just seems super clean. I mean, I'm for this so far. Strict warnings. Okay, I mean this tracks to me. Let's head over to the actual Perl site and download Perl. Perl. Oh, there's like a learn Perl first steps. After installing Perl. Is this actually Perl.org? Is Perl.org the site for Perl? Perl.org. Is it really? Hold on. Perl programming language. It is. Okay, this isn't as terrible of a site as I thought it was. I feel like all of these things just need fun logos. I feel like this is half of the battle with this, is just like you end up having these older logos that you're just like, this doesn't look ideal. But then, and then you go to like Golang, and then they have got like this fun little gopher, and it seems, even though it's like basically the same thing, but it's just like one is slightly more modern than the other, and obviously listing the companies using Go, which is a thing. But yeah, Raku. What's Raku? Its own thing. Raku may be a future for us. This looks a little bit more, maybe not async. Maybe we will be doing Raku stuff later. All right, so let's go in here. Let's go to our learn, and let's go to our learn.perl.org. Sending an email. No, install. Installing Perl on Mac OS. This is also a really old Mac OS logo. Holy moly. All right, let's curl this bad boy. Install. Can I do it? I want to do Perl through Homebrew. Homebrew. Packages. Can I search here? And then I'm going to search Perl. Oh, Python. PERL. I need to move the windows. I need to put the window. I need to hold on. Let me pull this screen down again. I'm actually going to switch this up. I'm going to move. I'm going to share this screen. Hide. Stop screen share. Present. Share screen. Because otherwise I'm going to be looking away and back and forth. But I'm going to move you guys over here. Oh, look at that. Oh, I was trying to do like some marketing stuff here in ChatGPT, and it was not a good idea. Whoa, all my stuff is up here. All right, let's stop sharing that again for 1 second while I get things closed down. All right, hide that. And let's close that. Quit. That's there. Close this. Close this. I thought it was closed, but apparently I was wrong. Okay. Now, where are we? Okay, let's pull this over here. Awesome. Full screen that. And now we can share again without fear of doxing ourselves. All right, here we go. Python packages, Perl. Does it have Perl as an option? Is this a... Oh, this is just searching the Homebrew documentation. Find Homebrew packages. Find Homebrew packages. Recently installed brew list. Is there not like a site to do this? That's weird. Home brew Perl. Ah, there we go. Duh, brew install Perl. All right, let's go into. Let's get a VS Code instance loaded up here. I'm gonna unfull screen this bad boy. I'm very excited for the next version of. Oh my goodness! Close file. Chrome. Quick Google Chrome. Don't quick Google Chrome. Oh, I just need to get rid of this window. All right, close this. Close that. VS Code. Where are you hiding? VS Code. There you go. All right. Perfect. Okay, let's do this. Brew, install Perl. Auto updating brew. So now we got to wait for brew to update while I enjoy my nice cup of coffee. So chat, if you're here and you've used Perl before, what are some things that I should know? What should I know? Look at all these things that it's brewing. Okay, so in the meantime, okay, so we're gonna get it here. Installing start. Perl V. Open a text editor, print name hi. I love that they've got a video of this too, though. When was this video made, though? I have a feeling this was made a long time ago. "12 years ago. Holy moly. Holy cannoli." All right. That's Mojolicious. Where is VS Code? Did we get it? All right. Perl-V. Restore Visual Studio Code. Updating everything. Oh my goodness. It's not the right time. Freshen and Perl World Development Catalyst Framework. That's cool. So I will say there are no SDKs that are built for Perl. So we're going to be doing something a little bit different when we actually try and implement OpenFeature in here. But we're basically going to have to build a provider for Perl, which will be fun. Okay. Close this. Okay, let's try this. Perl. I need to move. Oh my goodness. Everything is all over the place. I just want to make sure people can actually still hear me. Nobody said anything. Let's go Twitch maybe this time. No, let's go YouTube. Let's see what's going on over here on YouTube. I'm live. Can you add OpenFeature compliant feature flags to a Mojolicious Perl Web app? That's what we're here to find out. Yeah. All right. Good. Perfect. So Perl-V. And let me bump up some things. So let's bump this up. All right. And that's bumped up. And then what else am I going to bump up? I might move myself down here. There we go. Actually, like little border around the outside. Little blue border is fun. Yeah, let's just keep me here. Let's go over here. Or do we want to go to the top corner? I haven't actually edited one of these in a while. Let's go up here. I'm going to make this a little smaller. Can I change anything about this bit, Bill? No, I can't. Wish I could make it round. A round boy. Maybe I can actually. Camera slot? Nah, I can't. This card changes. All right. So here we are, Perl-V. Spectacular. Okay, so this is a little bit old. Might be fine. I'm not actually sure when the last time Perl was updated was. 5.3.8. What's the most recent Perl? It's fine. It'll do the job. Okay, start. Perl V. Okay, let's copy what we've got here and let's new file. Actually, let's go mkdir Perl ls cd Perl ls touch. What file name do I need to call it? Hello world.pl. And then let's go code dot. How do you open VS Code? I thought it was code dot. Open VS Code. Oh, we're already in VS Code. What am I doing? Yeah, I thought that's what it was. Do I actually need to install that? How to open VS Code from your terminal? I feel like I should do this. Shell command code successfully in path. Okay, let's add this. Let's go here. What do I need to do? Shell enter. Command shift P. Command shift P. Shell. Shell install code command in path. All right. Hopefully this doesn't show anything. Success. All right, let's try again. And then I think I just go code from the command line. Yeah, code dot. Yeah, that's what I thought. I was wondering why this wasn't working. Hey, let's go. Let's close that. Okay, so we got Perl here. Let's see if we got some Perl extensions. Ooh, sorted by popular language, server, and debugger. Perl code intelligence via C tags. Perl toolbox. Simple Perl. What does this one do? Language server, syntax checking, debugger. All right, let's add this. This seems like something that I would want to have. All right, and let's go back into our files here and let's see what we're doing here. So we're going to copy and paste this. So this is needed. Strict warnings, print high name. All right, let's open our terminal. New terminal. I'm going to bump this stuff up. All right, there we go. Request has failed. Connection. Maybe I didn't need a server. Yeah, I'm going to actually uninstall that. I don't actually know what language server means, so maybe we'll just do code intelligence. All right, there we go. Still what we want. Okay, terminal, and we're gonna run. Or what are we gonna run? I know we're gonna run something. Let me make this big without it being huge. Let me make it big without being huge. Learn Perl. Perl hello world. All right, Perl hello _world.pl. My name spectacular. Okay, I mean that was the thing. How do I go to the next step? Related site. First steps. Perl tutorial. Start. Is that it? Okay. But I think that I can use I can define name. Oh, no, just name equals world. And then I can just do hi name. Let's see. Ugh. Oh, name requires explicit package name. Did you mean name? Print hi name. Name. All right. I like that I'm getting all these errors. Example. Setting up a static web server. Ooh, that's cool. Let's go hello world Perl. Geeks for Geeks is not it for me. Okay, but I don't want just a Perl. How do you variables in Perl? Variables in Perl. Is it Geeks for Geeks? Okay, yes, that's right. Print I mean, I can just say hello world. Hello world. And I can print name. Let's see if that works. Name requires an explicit package name. Let's just call this VA, and we'll do print VA. Okay, symbol VA requires explicit package name. Did you forget? Oh, my VA. So this is what somebody was talking about earlier. Oh, wait, hold on. Hey, let's go. So that's interesting that none of this stuff is talked about, the my stuff. Is there no good learn Perl? No. Print hello world. Print. X5, print variables. Where does it talk about this my stuff? Is this like a specific site? Where is this from? Oh, learn X. Hello world. This is interesting because variables and types, print hello world. Okay, got that. X5. Print double quotes, allow the variable. So I want to see if this works. Betcha it's not going to work. Maybe it's because the strict stuff. Yeah. Okay. So that's what it was. It was the strict thing. Interesting. Cool. Okay. So I could actually have done name. Use name. Use name. All right. I already like Perl. Am I a convert now? Is this going to happen? Double quotes, single quotes. Love that. This is actually better than PHP. Holy moly. Print. And then I just want to print name. Name. And Andrew. Andrew. Okay. And sick. Okay. I mean, I get this now. This makes sense. Let's see what else is in here. Okay. I'm not going to worry about a lot of this stuff until I need it. So what's up next? So Mojolicious, let's get this installed. Let me zoom out of here because this is too much. Curl installation. Can I Perl brew? Free admin free Perl installation management tool. Bet you can probably wait, what? Oh my god, that's so awesome. You can get specific versions of Perl. I freaking love that. I love that. Does this come with Perl installed? No. Can I get... What does this do? Admin free installation management tool. Why run is Perl brew? This seems like it's very weird. That's weird. Why would I do that? Can I install Mojolicious? Mojolicious. Oh, well, no, I just need to curl it. What am I doing? What am I doing? All right, so let's grab this curl command. Okay, and then we're gonna install it here in our Perl folder. Liking so far, building Mojolicious, one distribution installed. Where did it install it though? Ugh. Okay. So what did I just do? I don't know, but we're gonna find out. I think I might have just installed this globally. Morbo. Command not found, Morbo. Where did it install Mojolicious? Documentation. Should have started there. Learning, don't panic. Mojolicious instruction in 3 parts. Tutorial. Modern Perl. Yes. Tutorial. Okay. Mojolicious Light. Mojo. Okay, I wonder if Mojo actually works. Let me open a new one of these. Does Mojo? No command found Mojo. Okay. So, like, where did I just install this on my device? Mojolicious. Question mark. What the heck did I just do? So, hold on. Configuring. Successfully installed. 1 distribution installed. What does that even mean? What do you mean I installed this, but then I can't use it? Installing Mojolicious. I don't want to go there. Install Mojolicious. No. Ask button 2. Sudo apt install Mojolicious Perl. Can't install. Mojolicious install. License changes, readme. It's a one-liner. It takes less than a minute. Okay, whole web application. Start it with Morbo. Why can I not see Morbo? Morbo. No command Morbo. Command not found Morbo. As per this project, I can see script here installed into specific location. That location is not, it cannot be run. All right. Just it for Morbo script to check the path. You can also just run Morbo. It's the full path. And see, I use proper. Recommend it. My Morbo is here. User, local, seller, Perl. Let's see if it is in there. I'm going to do it off my screen just so I know where I am. DevCycle Andrew. Let's go view hidden files. Show view options. How do I show my hidden files? Is it in the Perl folder? No. Let's go. Probably just Perl brew. Morbo command. User local. Go to folder. Seller. Perl. Okay, there's Perl. 5382. Authors. Bin. Morbo. Okay, I found it. It did install in the place that I wanted it to, which is in the homebrew stuff. So if I run it from there, find name Morbo. Okay, I had the same problem. I don't want to run it from there the entire time. Oh, that's gross. How do I add it to there? Oh. Hey, happy Friday, Casual Economist. Happy Friday. Always great to see you, my friend. I am currently trying to figure out why I installed something. I'm trying to figure out why I installed this new package. We're doing something different today. This one's less crazy. I actually think this might be for you. This might be the programming language. I say that having been unable to install the thing easily. But I'm a big fan so far. Okay, so it's in here. Add package to shell homebrew. Adding software to homebrew. No. I want to add it to. Okay. What are they saying in here? As part of the installation process, echo path. I don't want to run that whole thing. Had the same problem. There's like a very specific way to do this, and I feel like it's more but not found. I hope this gives a way to do it. Install user bin site pro mojo. Here we go. So I need to add this to my bash. They should have that listed. Bash. No, what is it to? It's not to the bash. It's export bash RC. Mojolicious bash RC. Mojolicious bash RC. So today, Casual Economist, I am trying to add feature flags to a Mojolicious project, which is a Perl Web framework, which I've never touched until today, but I think it's going to be fun. I feel like it's going to be accessible to us if I can get the bash stuff figured out. I just need to get it figured out on bash. Okay, let me just, you know what though? This is going to be one of those ChatGPT things. This like will solve this problem. I just installed Mojolicious and I can't access the Mojo command in my terminal on macOS. Let's see what this solves. Just installed. Okay, let's do this. So it says do this. Where are we hiding here? Let me go back to VS Code. So it said do this. It's not finding that. Add Mojo to your path. Bin Perl 5 home path. Okay. Bash. Yes. Okay. So. Okay. I know what I need to do now. I just need to actually. I know what I need to do. I just need to do it. Okay. So here's the location. Let me copy Morbo as path name. Both Morbo and Mojo are here. Okay, open your shell. Okay, I wonder if can I do nano? I don't think I have nano installed. We're gonna see. Nano. Okay, Dino. Oh, button stuff. So you can tell all the things, all the tech that I've explored on here. chruby. Okay, so now we need to add this. Okay, so this should now do that. And then I need to go source RC. So that should do it. And then I can close this one. And I'm going to do here, source that. And now I'm going to try Mojo -v. Mojo still not found. Oh, Mojo version. Mojo not found. Morbo -v. Command not found. Morbo. All right, let's start a new one. Morbo. Still not found. What about, did I actually, maybe I didn't save it? Oh, hold on. Oh, you know what? I didn't save it. Yep, that's what it was. Oh, wrong thing. Actually, save what you're doing, Andrew. Do the thing you need to do. And by the way, if you're not sure what I'm doing right now, so when you are installing something, your computer, your device doesn't obviously know exactly where the path is. So I'm basically telling my terminal to go and look in this folder for any of these Perl packages that I just installed. Now, I'm surprised that it didn't find it, but I mean, here we are. All right, and now I'm going to exit. X, yes. Oh, yes. Yes. Now I'm going to do this, and now I should be able to go Mojo version. Hey, let's go. Sick. All right, so now that is working. So now if I go Morbo, I think it was Morbo, where was it? Morbo Hello World, should start that. You want an application allow. Okay, and now I should be able to go here. And I heart Mojolicious. Sick. All right. So we have a Mojolicious application running, and this is it. This is what I love about this. This is freaking awesome. This is what web development should be. This is it. Like, people, this is what web development should look like. I know everybody thinks that like server-side rendering and all the rest of stuff is not ideal, but like this is clean. This is human readable. This is awesome. I don't care if you disagree with me, but I think this is what web development should look like. Okay, so here we go. And let's go here and get post parameters, stash template. So that's our first one. So, and I want to actually do this. I want to do this Mojo generate one. I want to see what this produces. Let's go here, and I'm going to go back to my terminal. I'm going to cancel this one. There we go. And let's move this up. Okay, and let's do this Mojo generate light app. Okay, sick. So it's in here. All right, so here we go. Here we have a sample app. So this is the same thing as we had before. Light, we've got this get command, which is going to render an index template. And then it looks like we're actually declaring all of this right in the same file. Come on, internet. Why don't you like this programming language? Why do you think this isn't cool? Why did I get such chagrin when I tried to do this before? All right, we're going to run this now. Terminal, new terminal. So we're going to go Morbo. It's Morbo, and then it's myapp.pl. Okay, let's open this again. Welcome to the Mojolicious Web Framework. So like, that's a difference, right? This was literally just putting it out in text, but either way, it's still freaking cool. But this is actually rendering this template, and then we're actually doing all of our stuff in here. Now, I wonder if Mojolicious actually has, I really hope they have some Mojolicious VS Code support. Yes. Interested what Mojo versus Mojolicious is. I'll have to look that up later, but I think question mark. So this should support that template stuff. Now my question is, what's happening here? Is this because it's reading it as Perl? I really like Mojolicious, by the way. If you haven't understood this, I am a big fan. Features. Perl. Yeah, I mean, I even like this. It's very simple. Initial release. Oh, this is fairly new. Okay, let's go and turn off the other Perl stuff that we have, because that might be causing some errors here. So where is that? Perl. Let's uninstall this. Restart extensions. Maybe I need to close and open again. My app. Let's close that. Let's close that. My app. Okay, so why is it? Maybe it's the comments that it's using. I wonder if that's what it is. Oh, you know what it is? I think it's the file type, actually. So where's the one that I just installed? Mojolicious. Mojolicious. I also just love the name. Features. EP. Perl. EPL. What's EP versus PL? Let's find out. EP versus PL Mojolicious. Okay. But it's weird because this was like actually putting out this PL file. So why is this not actually honoring? No, so myapp.pl documentation at index. I'm gonna completely shut this down and restart it because I feel as though it may just be that there's some slight issue. No. Does it not sense this? Prettier. Do I need to define the formatting? No, this is Perl. I feel like, oh, Perl, here we go. Mojolicious. Hey, there we go. But Mojo, Perl Mojolicious. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so I don't know why it was doing that. Is this what it should look like? Yeah, div cycle feature flags. Mojolicious. Okay, here. Okay, yes. Okay, so this, yeah, this is what it should look like. I don't love the colors that it's giving me, but like, it is what it is. I can probably change those, but I'm not here to do that. Yeah, I'm not here to do that. Title. Okay. So let's go in here and actually run this. So let's run this application terminal. This is going to be Morbo myapp.pl. All right, and that's going to run on localhost 3000. Okay, sick. So same thing that we had before, but now it's actually in this setup. And I can add some more variables. So title content, layout title content. Like, I think that's pretty freaking cool. HTML body content. Okay, hold on. Let me see here. Oh, I see. Oh, that's cool. That's kind of wicked, actually. That's very cool. So I can build an entire site just in like one single file. I mean, maybe I have to. Okay, so where's our Mojolicious stuff? Commands, daemon. I don't actually know what a daemon is. If you do know, let me know. Reloading. Web application available. Oh, so that's great. So the dev server is actually reloading on every change. Routes. So let's create a new. Can I add Tailwind to this? If I can add Tailwind to this, then the day is complete. Put the received JSON, document, and return it. Mojolicious light signatures. Hash C request JSON. Oh, that's cool. Built-in exception pages. Oh, cool. Let's see. $404, so missing should give me that. So let's go 3,000. And then if I go missing, application development mode does not exist. Does it actually come built in with that? Because it doesn't look like it does. Yeah, could not render a response. What? They're gorgeous and contain a lot of valuable information. Oh, I see. So that's giving me the 404 information. And then let's do this. These are nice error pages, actually. What was it? Was it, oh, dies. Intentional error. Yeah, this is like nice. Oh, like I'm not into it very far at all casual. Like I'm literally, this is my first time ever opening a Mojolicious project. Like this is my first time even playing around with this. All right, so I wonder if, let's get rid of this stuff. I am really interested in middleware, and I wonder if routing, middleware, do they have, so most server-side projects have a middleware functionality. Middleware. Does Mojoware? Mojoware, middleware. I bet you it's like, yeah, it's like a separate thing. Mojolicious middleware. Oh, actually, I wonder if there's a whole, like advanced. There's like an advanced project because there was like this light app. What other things are there? Is there more? Generate. Generate app. What does this do? I want to see a full app. Mojo generate app. Hey, I think that's what I wanted. Hey, yeah, this is what I was looking for. Yeah, here we go. So this is a much more built out project. Even got secrets? Dang. So like these are super light projects. These are like well built out. So here we go. So this has got a secret in here in YAML. We've got templates that are built out this way, which is nice. We got welcome, example, default. So this is pulling it out of the single file. What is this T thing? Mojo. Oh, this is test suite? Come on now. That's wicked. Scripting. Curve file. I don't know what that is. Public. Assets index. Nice. This is just a standard. Document, live, my app, controller. Startup. Route, no YAML config. I mean, this is a pretty well-structured app. I mean, let me run this, but let's see what happens. So let's go. I need to go into my app, and then how do I start it? CD my app ls. Yeah, how do I start this? Mojo generate app. Mojo help. Mojo generate light app, my app. Version command, Perl routes, git command. Eval. Yeah, I want to know how to start this. Script my app. It must be this. Perl script my app. Can I open Perl script? Maybe it's just cd script and then / my app. Okay, good. Is that what it is? Start application. Okay, my app, application command, Mojo version, commands, get routes version, inflate, perform HTTP, start application with HTTP, CGI. How do you start it? How do you start your application? Mojo generate app. Okay. Create full app. Oh, this is like the Mojo.js. So they've like created a JavaScript framework off of this. Echo Mojo generate app, light app, my app. Is this? Yeah, that's the JavaScript version. Yeah, I don't even know how to start this. Generate app. Keeping out, how do I start it? App run. Run this command. Yeah, but I don't know. These are like simple things that I feel like are probably here in the tutorial. Tutorial commands, daemon. My app PL. Daemon. To start. Command system, app start. Morbo, reloading, routes, posts, stash, and templates, HTTP, JSON, built-in exceptions, route names, layouts, blocks, helpers, plugins, placeholders, relax placeholders. I want to run hello world. I want to run. I don't care about this stuff. I want to know how to run this sample app that I just created. Growing. Can I, application, inflating, how do you run it? My app PL, all templates, static files, data section, be able to turn into separate files, inflate, controller class, more. Yeah, is it just my app that you're running? My app PL can be moved into a script. VPN standard. Oh, so I guess it is that. And then I run daemon. D-A-E-M-O-N. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, so that's what it was. So I just need to run the daemon stuff. Nice, nice. So this is my new application. You page template. Click here to reload the page. Here to move forward to a static page. This is a static document. Click here to go back to the start. All right, so like we have routes that are working. So let's go into, what was this one? Is this my routes? Example welcome. Routes. Public assets, my app, example. Okay, so this is a controller. Okay, I get this. How would I? Welcome. Self-render. Welcome to the Mojolicious real-time framework. And then not the test suite. Example. Welcome example. Message, okay. example. What if I do another one in here? Let's go. Is this going to do strict stuff? Cat equals dog. Okay, and then let's do this in here, see if it's going to figure out what I want to do. Cat equals cat. Okay. And then how would I use that in my... I need to delete these, though. They're going to confuse me. Move to trash. Welcome. Maybe I just change this to cat. Will that work? Click here, static page. Nope, that wasn't it. No, that didn't do it. This page was generated from a template message. Maybe I need to restart. Because cat is there. Message, cat, cat. I'm gonna try this again. Oh, cat requires explicit package name. So this is where I like the error handling. My cat. My cat. Site can't be reached. Let's try this again. Okay. Okay, sick. So that's how you pass things into there. So this is good. Can you easily do middleware? Middleware cookbook. Plaque middleware. Subfoo blocking subroutine. Cooking with, I don't like this like cooking guide stuff. It's not clear to me. Subfoo non-blocking operation. Event loops. Built-in web server. Oh, so here we go. So yeah, this is showing it. Okay, pre-forking. Is this actually showing me middleware? No. Oh, hold on. Middleware? I feel like this was middleware. What's this Plaques a Pro module and toolkit that contains use middleware in your application, use Plaque Builder. Deflator. Oh, is that like specific middleware? I guess they're saying I can do custom stuff here, hey? Blocking operations. Okay, so let's try this. I'm gonna go in here, sub welcome, subfoo, okay. And then I'm gonna do blocking. And fine, non-blocking. Let's call subroutine, continue execution, even though the subroutine is not yet finished, instead of waiting, calling. If result, okay, and then if result, if okay, good. So that's fine. If result, and I'm gonna get rid of cat because I don't care about cat anymore. Farewell, cat. And I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna remove all mention of this stuff. Actually, I'm gonna put message in there. Message, great, and my results. Message. Okay. My result, blocking subroutine. All right, so now I need to define the blocking subroutine. Did I add that one in there, or was that already there? Looks like that was already there. Okay, so we're gonna this is basically just setting up some middleware. So I think that now we can do sub blocking subroutine, sleep, return 1. What? I'm just going to call this middleware. return false. Is it middleware? Hold on. I like the self stuff. That's kind of nice. Very self-explanatory. Sub welcome self. Sub middleware. Oh yeah. And then self. Yeah. Okay, I like this. And then I wonder, how do I print? Is it print? How do I DD? DD in Perl. Where is that hiding? Dump and die in Perl. If a die print 0. Is it literally just die? Die. Let me go die. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Okay. Back to here. Mojolicious. That 127 3000 dog. Okay. So that's still, I guess it's not actually. Oh, it's because they're not right. It's Morbo. Morbo dot slash. Was it my app slash script slash my app? Okay. Okay. Never mind. Oh, false not allowed to be used. Do I have another one running somewhere? False, return false. Strict subs in use. So I'm going to return middleware failed, and then I'm going to die. Result. Let's see if that works. And then we're going to go. Okay. Refresh. Okay, good. This is awesome. This is what I'm hoping for. Middleware failed at example PM. Why did it fail? Because die is not the right result. Okay. Let's just remove that then. Okay. Success. Good. Pass. Pass. Okay, pass, if result equals pass. Else that, okay. I think that's fine. Good. Now let's put this in as fail. I think I'll have to refresh it all the time. Yeah, I'll have to refresh it. Oh, no, it's still showing that as true. Okay. That's odd. But why, though? Fail isn't a numeric. Oh. Equals. Syntax error. Just one equals? Compilation failed. near. Execution, line 8. Maybe we try it again. 83, line 1, near. Okay, now it's running. Weird. Oh, fail. Maybe I do 1, return 1. Try this. Oh, no, I want it to be 0. Okay, and then I want this to be failure. I don't love that I have to keep restarting the daemon. Yeah. Okay, so that's good. So this is what I want. So it's returning this. How do I die self? Let's do die self. Is that gonna throw an error? Bet you it will. Maybe not. Oh. Don't know my app controller. So it did die this. Request ID. Is it showing up as an error? Server error. No, so that's not what I wanted it to do. What does self return? What is the alternative to die? Die print 0. Dump variables in Perl. Print dumper. Do I need to install dumper? Let's try this. Use data. Oh, so that's an array. Let's try this. Use data dumper. Print dumper foo. Self. See what happens here. Got a server last time. Okay, so it is actually dumping stuff here now. That's good. Oh, and I get that. That totally makes sense. So yeah, it would dump it all into here, but I want to display it in the... Goodness, that's a lot of information. Whoa. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. Bless. Yes, this is just the full request. How do I return sub die internal? Oh! Sub die. Okay, this is all making sense. I like this program. I mean, I don't know where I would ever use this, but I like it. It brings me joy. But I can get rid of this. Okay, I should have been zoomed in here the whole time. Somebody should have told me. Oh yeah, I don't need to print this. Maybe die dumper? Die dumper? Oh yeah, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Var. Ooh, that's nice. Gives my operating system. Okay, sick. All right, so I like this. So we're going to build some middleware in here, but we're going to need to do a call to dev cycle. Ooh, this is going to be fun because we're basically going to need to build a provider to do this in Perl. But OpenFeature doesn't have a Perl. How would I do this? How indeed. OpenFeature had a JavaScript. OpenFeature Perl. I don't know. I don't know if this is going to work. I think we can do dev cycle. We can do dev cycle. I know we can do dev cycle because I know we can do an API call. API call in Perl. No, I don't want to implement it. My API. Get API, print API. RESTful API usage examples. What's delinea? What's delinea? Ooh. Secret service website. My application to the application name. Initialize TSS Perl API. Persist the API token in our TSS API response. Is this? Can we call how to authenticate and retrieve a secret programmatically in Perl if connecting to an installed instance change? This is kind of cool. You may need to install REST client from cpan, which can be done by running. Good REST API tutorial for Perl. Anything? Who's done this before? Access APIs from Perl. Fetch some information allowed you to use the client API. Password. Let's see. All right, so there's a way for me to obscure, because I know I was using this before, a key, because I'm going to need to obscure a key. My email, okay, because I need to generate hide secrets in VS Code. Cloak. 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 Let's go. Stream on Twitch or YouTube. Record stream. Open an env file. Oh, read from env file. Mojolicious. Env Perl module lets you import. Use env. Perl maintains file browsers with a special hash. What if I want to use a file? Any path. Imports info as scalars or arrays. Config, Mojo, Perl, env, file, conf file, and Mojo config. I mean, let's see if this works. There might actually just be. I'm gonna just try this. This might work. Just put it in the base of this. New file, .env, test equals hi. And then let's try and use this in our subroutine. Nope, not there. In our controller. I want to die. Test. Okay. See if this works. Stop, start. Oh, compilation failed. User agent, oh. Interesting. Okay, let's get rid of all this stuff. Okay, we can keep that for now. Mojolicious server error. Failure. Died at. What was that example? Read from env file Perl. Environment variables in Perl. Use env print path. No, I want it to be in a file. Setting Perl m from file. Environment file in Perl. Oh, .env. That's what I should be looking for. .env. Do I need to install this? Exports nothing. .env as supports for .env parse sources methods parse key value. How do I install anything in here? .env support for .env in Perl. What if I just do use .env? Do it all in one line. Use .env load. .env. Use env. Oh, that's going to throw an error. Yeah, it doesn't have that, I'm guessing. How do I install it? .env. Parse environment and .env files into parse. Env. So these are a lot of. It's so funny because it's like a fairly ugly. Myconfig. No, I want to do .env. How do I install this though? Install Perl package. Install cpan module. How to install basic cpan app. Now install cpan to make installing other modules easier. Do I have that already? cp and m. No. Do I need to type these commands into the terminal emulator? Cpan. Do I have cpan? I do have cpan. cpan app. Install. You'll thank us later. Okay. Let's do this then. So I guess cpan must just come with Perl. I guess yes. No idea what's happening right now. I guess we can try this now. Module name. .env. cpan.env. Support for .env in Perl. Okay, so what is this? This package is called name .env. I guess it's just .env. Install cpan module. Oh, install cpan module. Whoops. Oh, maybe that's okay. Oh, meta. Yeah, that's fine. maybe I'll just try this. Paste, and then I want to install just .env. Is that what it's called? Wait, what? .env on, what's it called then? Couldn't find a module. .env. .env. Oh, book.env. I'm gonna assume. Could not find module. .env. How do I install module here? Install .env. Like, this should be pretty straightforward. Tools. That comes. Oh, it actually comes with Perl installed. That's awesome. I mean, it doesn't really change anything for me, but Perl module installation. CPAN utility. Well, how do I know what the module name is? Perl. No, yeah, I want to go .env. This is what I want to get. I want to get this thing right here. Search in distribution. Do I search for this? Okay, I'm gonna chat GPT this again. How do I? Oh, no. Close. How do I install a Perl package .env with CPAN? What was it? CPANM? CPANM. Okay, I already installed that. Config.env. So it doesn't find that. So what is this? It's not a config. Is it just literally .env? Distribution. How do I install it? Download. Installation instructions. Geez, that was buried. Okay. Holy moly, that took longer than it should have. Okay, so now I can pull that in. And I can do this, do it all in one line, and then I should be able to go parsing there. Key value pairs. Do not set env. App.env, test.env, local.env. Okay, let's go my result, and we're gonna go my env, and then die dumper env. Oh no. Done. Compilation failed. .env is up to date. No such file. Oh, maybe that's what it is. .env, maybe it's just that. No, failure on line 4. My app daemon .env. No such file or directory. Site Perl. Where is it looking for it? Sources can also be loaded via import. I guess where is it looking for this file? I would think it would be at the base, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'll just do that. Load local.env. Oh, just do this. Sources can also be loaded via import. Load. Add some local stuff to env. Return a reference to a hash populated with key value pairs. Okay. Or let's call this local.env. Local.env. Local.env k. Where's that living? Yeah, it's living in the base. Okay, perfect. Still not finding it. No such file or directory. Okay, it's looking at homebrew. Maybe I need to put it in the same folder as script. Okay, I think that's what it was. And parse env. And then how do I get it? Parse app.env. Parse sources, key value pair. Okay, maybe I just need to look at this in the node implementation. Require.env, secret hash, parsing. Return an object. I think it's parse local.env, right? It's going to parse local.env. Okay. Hi. Oh, sick. Hi. Okay, good. 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 Yeah. Hi. Awesome. But what if I just want to get config secrets? Oh, come on. Is that really it? Could I really have just done that? Where were the secret stuff? No, example layouts, my app. Oh, no way. Really? Whatever. Whatever. It's still not going to let me hide it. But I want to parse just a specific .env parse local.env env test. Maybe just env test. Test. Oh, forgot to mention my env. No, I did not. Global symbol env requires explicit pack. I did that. Yeah, because I mean, like, what if I have more than one line? Test. Hello. World. Oh, wrong one. Oh, whoops. Oh, yeah, whatever, fine. Test. Yes. Yes, yes. Server died at. Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, so. Oh, wait, what? There. Died at. Use of uninitialized value and test. Not found. Internal service error. What is going on here? Oh, what? Dumper env. Dumper env. But why though? Env requires a specific package name. What? Oh. No. Yes, there we go. Okay, try this again. Explicit package name. Subroutine, welcome. I feel like I need to describe this above. Yes. Okay. And then env test. What was it? What did I use? Hello. Okay. Hi. Okay. And do I even need that arrow actually? Wait, what? Oh, so I do actually need that. No, I mean, I dig that actually. And then world. Oh. Try this again. Okay, sick. All right, so we're getting that there. Perfect. All right, so we have the ability to read from an environment variable, which is going to be helpful because I'm going to head over to devcycle.com and I'm actually going to need to do, let me log in here. And web debugger. Oh, sick, web debugger stuff came out. I need to publish that later. But I need to go to the view SDK keys. Oh, wrong place. I don't want to be in here. DevCycle. All right, I need to be out of here and into my org. And we're going to head over to the docs and we're going to go see our APIs. And we have two APIs. We have actually never done this on stream. API, client ID, client secret, auth token, client secret. All right, so I'm going to get all of this here. And so this is the management API. So this is going to grab all of our projects. It's going to grab updated projects. It's going to grab audience and variables and variations. So this is all that stuff. And then you'll see here what it would return for different people. So this is our management API. And then our bucketing API is what we would call, if we wanted to get a variable by key for a user. So we could see what bucket that they would land in. Anyways, we're not going to worry about this one. We're going to worry about the management API. Okay, so let's do this call. I'm going to do this elsewhere. So I'm going to do this in another terminal off screen. I'm going to go grab this stuff in my dev cycle dashboard. Follow these instructions, client ID. And client secret. And love that you can't see this, and I'm sorry. Okay, let's do this and run this curl. All right. And I'm going to copy the access token it just gave me. And now I've got to see how this new extension that I just installed actually works. Cloak, hide. Press F1 on the command palette. Env. Cloak. All right, we're going to see what this looks like. So let's go over here, F1. Go, and let's go command, cloak. I did install this. env. Nope. What did I need to do here? Open an env file. F1 to open the command palette. F1. Cloak. Hide secrets. That's not hiding secrets. What is this doing? F1. Cloak, hide secrets. Why is that not working? Oh, formatting. No local configuration detected. Is this old? Can I clear this? Why is cloak not working? Oh, that's all prettier stuff. Maybe if I put them in. Maybe if I have to put it in here. Command palette. Cloak, hide secrets. Is it because it's a local.env? Maybe I need to change it just to .env. Ah, I see. So that is good, I suppose. We're going to call this token, access token. I don't want to show that stuff. I'm going to save this for a second, remove hello and world. Okay, let's pull this over here for a second, and I'm going to paste this. Save. Do I need to? Hold the phone. Okay, so now access token should be there, and I should be able to do an API call. API call to our API. All right, so let's do an API call to get all of my projects. Did I want to just list my projects? Do a get command. All right, API call in Perl. I'm just gonna do a ChatGPT on this one again. How to do a simple API call in Perl. All right, I'm going to install this user agent stuff. So back over here. There we go. So now I have this access token back over here. Now I just have .env. Okay, and now I need to install. It's still running. Oh, internal service error. Oh yeah, I wanted that. Install this user agent stuff. And then I gotta use this stuff. All right, let's do use user agent, request response. Okay, and then where? Oh, where? Oh, it's because it's in my terminal over here. With token type. All right. Perfect. Amazing. Okay, here we go. We're going to pull this. Simple script. All right, so here is going to be our simple script. It'll actually be our middleware script. Get rid of all of this stuff. So here we go. So we have our API call. We're going to actually call, go back to the dev cycle docs. So here, docs, APIs, management API. All right, and we're going to grab our project list, get projects, API call here. Okay. API call. I'm going to grab our env token from here. So this is going to be env, and it's going to be access token, not bearer token. So it's going to be env. No, it's always going to be this. Env access token. I think that's what I called it over here. Yeah. Okay. Authorization, bearer, my response, if response, print response. Okay, let's see what happens here. So let's go up here, stop this. Web application, back over here, refresh. Okay, 501 pros HTTPS not installed. So we need to actually install this stuff. HTTP request get. Yeah, what's this? Oh. HTTPS Request not reported. Oh, here we go. So I have to install HTTPS API call in Perl. Maybe in Mojo? It might actually have a separate mocking a REST API. No. Calling? Can you call an API? Did they talk about it in here? Hook helper. Real-time web, backend async await. Okay, so I think I can actually do it in here. Search Mojo URL. Promise, reject as an exception. Yeah, so it looks like Mojolicious is actually easier to do this. Mojolicious API call with token. REST API. Yeah, so I could have technically used the config there, but it wouldn't allow me to hide it. Maybe env was in here. Maybe I could have just used. Oh no, I feel like you had to like set the env. So this wasn't actually .env. It was just an env file. Get token. Rendering content. Token request header. Token. I want to do rendering JSON, rendering data. Advanced. I feel like it's got to be built in here. So let's go API call. It must be API call. API / API. Get request Mojolicious. Content type request new to string. Parse hello world, content type request new. I wonder. URL. Cookies. Yeah, there's a lot here. There's definitely doable. Bearer token, Mojolicious. Okay, Mojolicious, JWT, payload, app ID, key helper, Payloads. Authentication, Google OAuth app with Mojolicious. This might help. Config plugin. Mojolicious scope. OAuth base. Get auth. Config plugin. Client ID. Get shift render home. Auth shift redirect to config auth base as auth. Okay, here's something. Mojo user agent 2. Where was it just showing bearer token? What's this? Google's document example, use Mojo. URL token. Oh, okay. All right, here we go. So what do we got here? I don't need any of this stuff. Probably didn't even need that .m stuff. Whatever. But I do need Mojo user agent. Sick. Okay, and then my env, my token. Let's go my token, my URL. My URL equals, and where were our docs? DevCycle docs. Here we go. Let's grab this, copy. This is going to be env access token. Amazing. Okay, and then what's the example here? Where was it? Where'd it go? Not there. 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 Mojo user agent post. User agent new. Okay. Oh, Mojo user agent new. Okay, so we don't even actually need that. Mojo user agent 2. Already defined my URL. My request header, if response. Okay, that's close. I already have that. Now, what was it saying to do here? Post URL authorization, content type, bearer token. Multi-part? I don't think I need to do that. I think it's just going to be this. Yes. Result JSON? Do I need JSON? Well, we'll find out. Don't need any of this stuff. Okay, let's get rid of that. And I'm going to get rid of that because I feel like that's going to throw an error eventually. Save that. Middleware, Mojo user agent new, user agent post, URL, yes, bearer, token, yes. Okay, let's see if that works. I have a feeling something bad's gonna happen, but we'll see. Give me 1 second, folks. Give me 1 second. All right, I'm back. Okay, let's close this. Start it. Okay, no error yet. That's good. And then let's go 127 3000. Can't connect node name or server name not provided. Did I not define this the right way? My URL? Oh. Yeah, I definitely didn't. And I'm wanting to call, where did I put it? It's in the docs. Oh, no, it's the same thing. Just a GET versus a POST request. Yeah, let's do GET. Oh, dang. Okay. Refresh. Start to go. Compilation error. Near my. Oh. Socket required for TLS support. So that's odd. Didn't it just give me a guide to do this? Yeah, literally gave me a guide to do this. So why? Why is it telling me this? What was the error? Socket required for TLS support. Oh no, it's not. It's not content type monthly part. No, content type is. I don't even know if I need the content type one. I think I just need the authorization. Maybe that's gonna call it. No, maybe not. Oh. No. Hooray, though. Let's see if this shows me anything. Required for TLS, not just should be using cpanel file. Closed due to lack of activity. Taken care of unless someone wants to. Install instructions. Am I actually going to need this though? IO socket. What? All right, this is harder to toggle than I thought. That's not ideal. Okay, so that makes sense. Do I need to install? Hold on, let me just install this. It's not gonna hurt. Building and testing. Wonder if I'll need to use, or if it just actually just needed it to exist. Goodness, taking a while to build and test. Oh, maybe I was building and testing a couple of things. So that could potentially be it. Oh, allow. Sick. Okay. Great. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, failure. That's good, but did it throw something out in JSON here? UA get. Response. Okay. What did they show here? Okay. Post. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so I need to go result, my result equals response body. Okay, let's do this. Kill it there. And then we're going to do my result, or my request, my response equals request result, die response. Close this. Nope. Die. Close this. Start again. Okay. Are we going to get an error? Okay, good. We got a die. Response hash. Okay, we got a response. Request result. Decode? Oh, body. Is it just res? Res body? Hey, let's go. Let's go. So it's my project, so we're getting there. So I want to get my variables, variation, variable. Awesome. So that allows us to do this, but that was for our management of creating features. We actually want to do the bucketing stuff. Get variable by key for user. Okay, so let's do the same thing. All right, payload. Key. Get variable by user data. And then response samples value. Post that. All right. Okay. So let's do this. for going to do a post request. Where are you hiding my URL? Okay, so that's going to go to there. And then my key is going to be my key is env key. Go add an SDK key in here. Let's go. I need to actually create one, maybe app.devcycle.com. app.devcycle.com. Okay. Yeah, I guess we can do test project. Hello world. Okay, false true. Good. SDK key. Development key on server. Create a new one in here called key equals key. Okay. Awesome. Token key. So now I'm going to go URL. I'm actually going to define it in here. And this is going to be variable in string Perl. Name, okay. Perl variable in a string. Put a variable within a string Perl. Name. Double colon and single quote. Okay, we're gonna get there, folks. Okay, it's double quotes. And I'm gonna do double quotes, and then it's going to be key. And then I just want to do die key. Let's see if that gives it. And I realize that I'll probably be exposing something, but that's fine. Fine, die key. Oh. I was not giving the key. Did I put them in single quotes? Oh, I did. That's why. Single quote. Excuse me. Okay, awesome. And then I'm actually going to do a post request to that. And I'm going to send. Where's my user ID? Yeah, just send user ID. think that should do it. We'll find out though. Is it user underscore ID though? I think it's user underscore ID. Yeah, it's user underscore ID. Which is actually the only thing you need to send. Did I kill the die? Yeah, I did. Let's kill that, start again. Only DBC server keys, valid key bearer. Oh, no. 401. Unauthorized. So what do I need to do here? Bucketing, API bearer auth. Bearer auth? Okay, API key. Header parameter name, authorization, API key. Is it just that? No, authorizations, bearer auth, yeah. This is not good. Swagger. Yeah, that's what I thought. Unauthorized error. Okay, so I got the unauthorized error, which is fine. I feel like my response was, let me pull my actual server response over here. Pulling it off this screen for a minute, just because I've got all my stuff in there. Only server, DVC server keys are supported by this API invalid token, invalid key. Maybe I'm just unclear of how our API was working. Oh, it's a variable key. Bearer auth API key. Oh, really? So maybe this is just bearer token. Duh. All right, so you can tell that I have not used our API in a while. Okay, so let's go. Hey. Bearer token. We are gonna do key. SDK key. Where did I put my SDK key? Oh, key. And then key is my ID. Okay. Yeah, I was just doing this the wrong way. So I actually didn't even need the key is the variable key. What was my variable key in here? Variable key. New feature. Let's do hello world. Key, my variable equals hello world. Okay, and this is actually going to be variable, and this is going to be key. Yes, this is going to be key. And I think let's try this now, because I shouldn't be calling token there anywhere anymore. Localhost 2000. Okay, good. Okay, that's fine. Server key invalid, SDK token provided. 401 invalid. Bearer auth, header name, authorization. Yeah, that's right. maybe it's just key. Probably it's just key. Hey, let's go. Okay, so API call. Good. All of this stuff is good. That stuff's good. Okay, so I think we actually get this done in the next 5 minutes. Body, and I actually want to get the value. And I'm going to do just print up a response, sure. I'll locate object and value. Okay, I think it's value. Oh, what's this? Compilation errors. Dot. Body. Value. Get variable. Return. Where's it hiding here? Return key. Array key. Perl. Is it just dot? I don't think it is, but we'll see. Dot value. I think that's going to throw an error again. Compilation. Strict subs. All right, let's try this again. There we go. JSON Mojolicious. Mojo JSON. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, I want to do this without. Oh, I see. I do definitely have to do that. Okay, fine. Decode JSON. I think it should just be decode JSON. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's installed already. I should go JSON response. Response. I don't know, I'm calling it hash, but whatever. And yes, okay, sick and Boolean keep value bless do. And I want to get value. Hash. Just value. So that's good. So it does, in fact, so this middleware will technically actually work. All right, so return value, return result value. If value A, return 1, else return 0. What does it actually return? I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to say if it equals this. And what should it be set to right now? I think it's set to features. I think it's set to show false to everybody or true to everybody. Message 1. All users message 2, which would be hello world, true, save. So let me rebuild this. Boolean, maybe I'll change it to a string and I'll do it as cat. Hello world, because we are kind of doing a hello world here, update, and I'll keep that as cat. So I'm going to change this key to, or this variable to cat. Okay, so now if value equals cat. Oh, no, hello. Hello with a capital H. Okay, let's cancel this and rebuild it. Okay, what's the error we're getting? Render caching, that's good. So that's good. Maybe I can do equals, hello? What does it actually return? dd. Oh, decode JSON response my value, and then value. That's why. Die value. Can't use string as hash ref. What did it tell me to do here? Value, yes. Die value. Can't use string as a hash ref. Equals. Maybe I just move this for now. Try again. Oh, it doesn't even get there. Decode JSON response. And then die value. Cancel start. OpenFeature. Oh, I didn't update it. Did I not save it? I'll save. Okay. So it's actually set to world. So I want it to say world. All right, let's see if this did it. World. All right, sick. All right, so we have functional middleware, believe it or not. It's going to return success. So what you can see here is I've got like an old project that I had in here, which just basically had like this project, and then I have like a string and a Boolean variable set up. I have message 1, message hello world, and I'm basically serving to all users message 2, which is hello, sorry, which was world. But if I change that to hello, and now I refresh over here, failure, and then in real time, it's not going to do it in real time because it's server side, but I can go in here and do this again. Find out where that is. Where did I go? Where did you go? Where did you go, DevCycle? app.devcycle.com. Hello world, manage feature. So not quite OpenFeature stuff, but yeah, so we've got false true, hello world. So if I change this here to message 2 again, save, go back over to our app and refresh, it's success. We have our middleware that's in here, and we could technically return a totally different page, which we're kind of doing, but I think that's kind of cool. So basically that is a functional Perl Mojolicious application with some custom middleware that is going to return something different based on kind of this message that it's sending through. Super straightforward. I did extra work that I didn't need to do because I didn't actually need my client and secret stuff. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how this all worked. If you liked the stream and you thought it was kind of cool as well, please let me know, because this is always a lot of fun for me to do. So that's it for today. I think I'm going to unshare my screen itself here, full screen. So if you liked today's stream, and you want to see some more, we're going to have lots of streams next week. We're going to have 2 on Wednesday, 1 on Friday. It's going to be a great week. We're going to be looking at OpenFeature multi-provider stuff. If you want to learn more about Perl or about Mojolicious, you can check out the links that are going to be in the description of this video below. And otherwise, I just want to say thank you, Casual Economist, for being here. Thank you, Brielle, for being here as well. Thanks to everybody else who watched. And yeah, looking forward to seeing you all around the DevCycle community. So thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day and a great weekend, and we will see you next time here on the channel. Bye-bye, everybody.
Don't go in there. They're having the let's try to figure out what customers want meeting again. It's gotten a little weird.
Signups are strong, but adoption of key features remains stagnant. What do you do?
We gotta merge that PR. Yeah, we have to. That's our only choice. Okay. We cast merge on the PR for the new dashboard. Oh no.
Your actions have caused the company to go viral for the wrong reason.
God. Oh.
Oh no, what do we do?
Roll for initiative.
I can't. No,
New features shouldn't be left to a roll of the dice. Use DevCycle to ship with low risk and instant rollbacks. Unrolls, re-rolls.
How do we make this into a dice pun?